Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. You met me here in my heart, not from the sky, not from the throne, but in the dark when I felt alone. Through every fall, through every flame, you held me close, you knew my name. No mask, no role to play, just sacred love, lighting the way. Amazing grace, always, always, always. Grace carries me through shadowed roads and restless crowds.
No judgment
here, just breathing light surrounding me. No savior came. You just reminded me that even broken wings fly free.
Grace rose like breath inside of me.
The lesson learned each time I choose me. Amazing grace, still walking near. No temple gate, no fear. Only songs, the path is clear. Grace always lives here. Grace carried me day by day, still rising now in every way. Grace is my belief, grace is my faith. Grace is the ground beneath my feet. Amazing